Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Arabic Khatawaat. We're going to continue our set of Arabic flashcards, including 5 verbs in the past, present, and future. So let's begin. الفعل الأول. الفعل الأول. First verb. عزز. عزز. He enhanced or made solid. عزز. Repeat. عزز. عزز يعزز سيعزز عزز يعزز سيعزز. The businessman enhanced his relationship with his clients. عزز رجل الأعمال علاقته بعملائه. عزز رجل الأعمال علاقته بعملائه. الفعل الثاني second verb ضخم. ضخم. He amplified or inflated. ضخم يضخم سيضخم. The new director has inflated or amplified the company's production. The new director has amplified or inflated the company's production. ضخم المدير الجديد إنتاج الشركة. ضخم المدير الجديد إنتاج الشركة. الفعل الثالث third verb نصح. نصح. He advised. نصح. Now repeat. نصح. نصح ينصح سينصح. He will advise his team to play the match again. He will advise his team to play the match again. سينصح فريقه بلعب المباراة مرة أخرى. سينصح فريقه بلعب المباراة مرة أخرى. الفعل الرابع fourth verb اقترح. اقترح. He suggested. اقترح. Now repeat. اقترح. اقترح يقترح سيقترح. Amin suggests that they end the meeting soon. Amin suggests that they end the meeting soon. أمين يقترح عليهم إنهاء الاجتماع قريبا. أمين يقترح عليهم إنهاء الاجتماع قريبا. الفعل الخامس the fifth verb and our last in this set قرر. قرر. He decided. قرر. Now repeat. قرر. قرر يقرر سيقرر. قرر يقرر سيقرر. The team has decided to travel together. The team has decided to travel together. قرر فريق العمل السفر معا. قرر فريق العمل السفر معا. And that'll be all for our set 5 or 5th set of Arabic flashcards. I hope you enjoyed these series. Please continue to form your own sentences, look at these verbs in different contexts, and try to resonate with them by forming your own example. Until we meet next time, مع السلامة.